Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss how were our maker of Indian Constitution efforts regarding their Part 2 Constitution. Despite all these difficulties, there was one big advantage for the maker of the Indian Constitution. They already decided what a democratic India should look like. It means they already have a developed consensus. It means consensus means to develop a new thoughts या idea. Because India is a diverse country, or people are our country belongs to different background, different culture, language. तो उन सब लोगों को कंसीडर करके हमें एक ऐसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाना था जिन्हें सब लोग उसे एक्सेप्ट कर पाएँ. तो हमारे इंडियन मेकर्स ने पहले से ही माइंड में एक सेट कर रखा था कि हमें कैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाना है. ऑलरेडी उनके दिमाग में थॉट्स थे ड्यूरिंग फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. इन 1928 मोतीलाल नेहरू एंड 8 अदर कांग्रेस लीडर्स ड्राफ्टेड ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर इंडिया. ड्राफ्टेड मीन्स रफली कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाना. एक रफली उन्होंने डिज़ाइन कर लिया था कि उन्हें किस तरह का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चाहिए. In 1931, the resolution at the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress on how independent India constitution should look like. Both these documents were committed to the inclusion of universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, and protesting the right of minorities in the Constitution of Independent India. It means जो कराची में सेशन हुआ था 1931 में, उसमें ये रेजोल्यूशन पास किया गया था कि हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये की फीचर्स होने चाहिए लाइक यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज. इट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस all adult, those who are 18 and above, have right to vote. And the second thing is equality. Equality means that every individual in the country, including male and female person from all caste, religion, educational and economic background, they all are equal. These are some basic values were accepted by all the leaders. I repeat my words again. The Indian Constitution was drafted by Motilal Nehru and 8 other leaders in 1928. After that, the resolution at the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress on how independent India Constitution should look like in 1931. After that, they were discussed these important features, and the first is universal adult franchise, freedom and equality, and right of minorities. Universal adult franchise by giving all the citizens of India the right to vote and contest election. Right to freedom and equality to be granted, since India remained under British control for a long time, and being a country of diversity, it must be needed equality. It also proposed for protesting the right of minorities in the Constitution of Independent India. And the next point is familiar with political institutional. The British rule had given voting rights only to few Indians. After that, elections were held in 1937. Provincial legislature experience gained by Indians in the working of the legislative institution proved to be very useful for the country in setting up its own institution and working in them. Provincial legislature means state wise election conduct करवाना. ब्रिटिशर्स क्या करते थे, स्टेट वाइज इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करवाते थे और उन्होंने कुछ इंडियंस को ये राइट दिया था कि वो स्टेट वाइज इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करवा सकते हैं। तो इस प्रकार उन्हें क्या मिला, असेंबली में काम करने का चांस मिल गया, फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया कि प्रोविजंस क्या होने चाहिए, क्या लॉज होने चाहिए, किस तरह से पॉलिटिकल इंस्टीट्यूशंस को रन करना है। तो उन्हें एक एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया, तो उन्हें ये आइडिया था कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को किस प्रकार से रन करना है। That's why they were familiar with political institutions. Our leader gained confidence to learn from other countries. Like France, many Indian leaders were inspired by the ideal of the French Revolution and their resolution based on liberty, equality. And Russia, the socialist revolution and the socialist economy of Russia also inspired the leader of India. The third country is Britain. Indian leaders were inspired by the practice of parliamentary democracy in the Britain. And the next is US. Their Bills of Rights was a great inspiration. Bills of Rights means fundamental rights were adopted from US. At each step, they were questioning whether these things suit our country. All these factors contributed to the making of our constitution. तो अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाने के लिए हमने जो फ्रांस, रशिया, यूएस और ब्रिटेन से जो लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फंडामेंटल राइट्स और पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी, ये जो बाकी कंट्रीज से हमने अडॉप्ट करी है, उस पर हमने पहले डिबेट करी है। आफ्टर दैट वी अप्लाइड इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।